Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Moto Buds Plus with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings, then go to Connected Devices, now click Pair New Device, and after that open the case and press and hold Connectional button for at least 2 seconds. We can see that LED light is start flashing, so it means it's entering to pairing mode. And now we should see it on the list. So just click on it, pair, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!